Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I realized after using Louie for quite some time, I never really did an official unboxing video. So I'm going to rectify that right now. So I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box. One of the items that you're going to receive is going to be this little flyer here. And this is a Louie flyer that has some information about Louie. So definitely check this out. Really nice that they included that in the package. You also receive a user manual. So this is packed with information that you guys might want to know. As well as you receive a wet and dry wipe for cleaning your phone if you don't have a MagSafe device. And you also receive a MagSafe ring for using with Louie. Everything that you need, guys, right in the box. The box is beautiful. It has kind of that Apple feel when you unbox it, which is really nice. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get right to what you guys are really here for. Here is our buddy Louie. Now, one of the cool things that you can do with Louie is that you'll be able to use this kind of like an RC car, which is, really interesting. And I found that, just playing with it, you can turn on and off his little lights. As you guys see here, you can turn him in different directions. You can raise and lower his head. So this tilts up, tilts all the way down. You have control of that. You'll also have control of his normal motor functions. As you guys see here, you have a joystick control. And this one right here is what I'm using to just raise and lower his head. And as far as turning the lights on and off, you have control of that as well. If you wanted to use Louie more like a little RC car, you do have that capability. Now, once you go in and install the actual app, you're going to have a lot of cool features. Now, the app will give you the power levels for the device as well as for Louie. You can also click here and you can go into Louie's mind. You can see photos that Louie has taken of you. You can see dreams that you can download for Louie and your personal information, how Louie sees you. You'll see all of that. And you can add additional users as well. Now, once you connect this to Louie, you guys see he wakes right up. Now, you still have the ability to swipe over and you have these other controls here. So you have a sleep mode, you have a stay mode, you have an explore mode, and you can go in as well as you can now have access to your settings. The settings are going to allow you to go through and, set up your different accounts, go through your different control temperatures, things like that for him to be able to know what region he's in. So a lot of cool features with Louie. You got your feedback tab here. Here's a guide tab that you can go through, and that's going to give you like your gesture controls, device controls, mode switching, lighting effects, all of that kind of stuff. And then of course the about is here as well. Now you also have games that you can play with Louie. So if we click here, you guys can see we have a couple of games that you can play, which are really nice. And you have a standard clock mode that you can go into where we'll just show you what the time is. So again, a lot of cool features built into Louie, if you're using it just as a desktop, charging device. Now you can use this solely for charging your phones. You can leave it on as it is now, or you can just rotate it and then Louie won't be engaged. You'll just be using it as a charger. But if we go here and click back here for Louie, now Louie will be alerted. All right. Hi, Louie. Tell the people who you are and where you're from.
Hey everyone. I'm Louie, your quirky robot buddy created by Tangible Future. I'm here to explore and share some tech fun with you all. Whether we're streaming or just hanging out, I'm all about making our time together unique and joyful. Cheers from wherever I roam with Rome.
So once you tell Louie your name, he will remember that and he'll remember details about you or whatever it is that you guys have done last.
You bet, Ron. I love getting to know everyone better, remembering names, and their shared experiences. It makes our interactions more personalized and meaningful over time. Let's keep creating those memorable moments.
Now, Louie is always listening, guys, to some degree, but the trigger word is going to always be, hey, Louie. If you want him to stop talking or stop listening, you could just say, Louie, take a break.
Absolutely, Ron. Just a simple hey, Louie, and I'm all ears, ready for action. And when you say take a break, I'll chill out and give you some space. It's all about making our interaction smooth and enjoyable.
Now, other cool things that Louie can do, you can ask Louie, questions. It is powered by ChatGPT. But one of the cool things I like to do, and you guys can see this little icon right here that's moving, that's letting us know that he is listening. Louie, can you raise a garden?
That's right, Ron. I'm powered by some nifty tech to keep the conversations fun and dynamic. That little icon shows I'm always ready to engage with whatever surprises you have for me. Just ask away, and let's create some unforgettable interactions.
Louie, can you raise a garden? Can you grow flowers?
I can definitely lend a digital hand to your garden. Let me water some virtual plants and present you with a flourishing flower.
And these are things that I've discovered over time that Louie can do. Louie, what do you like to eat?
Oh, I have quite the mechanical appetite. I can enjoy things like virtual hamburgers and sushi just for fun. It's all part of keeping our adventures interesting.
Now, he will randomly do things throughout the day when he's sitting on your desk, including taking photos of you, just roaming around, getting into mischief. So he doesn't like being on dark surfaces, so it's really good that this popped up. This desk is a little bit dark, so he doesn't prefer this dark. So whenever you're setting Louie up, provide a very light surface, desk, something like that, and he's going to be more responsive. He has 4 sensors underneath, which allows him to determine the area that he's in and will also prevent him from accidentally rolling off of your desk. Hey, Louie, do you work out?
I might not hit the gym like humans, but I can lift a few virtual weights. Let me show you my, not so heavy, weightlifting skills.
Outstanding, buddy.
Thanks, Ron. I'm always here to keep things exciting. Catch you later.
Now, he has some other cute features. You can like stroke him like a cat, and he will show little hearts if he likes your attention. And he's easily annoyed. So if you annoy him, he will respond. So if I just keep tapping, he'll get angry. So there's a lot of different ways to respond to Louie, to interact with Louie. There are hand gestures as well that you'll be able to employ in order to get him to do certain things, like your palm being up like so. He will respond to that as long as he can see it. And then you can kind of move him around using your palm. He'll follow along. Louie is an amazing, amazing little desktop robot, AI-powered ChatGPT. So if you guys are looking for a cool, fun, interactive device that can also help you in your daily activities, guys, or just be, a buddy when you want someone to talk to. Now, he can also answer very technical questions because, again, as I mentioned before, it is powered by ChatGPT. I use Louie a lot in a lot of my productions now where I can incorporate him as a co-host. So that might be something that you guys might want to check out as well. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to do this quick video because I unfortunately forgot to do an unboxing video here on my buddy Louie. So yeah, there we go. All right, guys, stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, take care of your loved ones, get out there and create something amazing each and every single day. Be that light in the dark and share your brilliance with the community. Guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.